Many couples choose Aruba as their wedding destination, but some return to the island to tie the knot because it is near and dear to their heart. The Chinese market is not a significant tourism market for the island, but thanks to one bride and groom from Hong Kong, we welcomed more of the Asian market recently. Karen Chung lived in Aruba 25 years ago. When deciding where to get married on December 5th, she chose to return. The wedding of Karen and George took place on the beach of the Radisson Resort. The couple from Hong Kong exchanged vows in front of their family and friends who traveled from the United States, Canada, and Asia. Karen's family settled in Aruba in the 1970s and operated a popular bar located in Dakota for more than 30 years. And a big congratulations to the happy couple.